brown bear, what do you see? A bear. A bird. Bird. Duck. A horse. A frog. Says ribbit, ribbit. A kitty. Says meow, meow. A dog. Woof, woof. A sheep says ba. Ba. A fish says a teacher. Some kids. Start over. A bear says wow. A bird says tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. A duck says quack, quack. A horse says neigh. Hold on, you're missing the page. A frog says ribbit, ribbit. A kitty, what's a kitty say? Meow. What's the dog say? What do they say? Woof. A sheep says ba. Fishies? Fishies?
That's a good sign for fish.
And a teacher.
What's the sign for kitty?
What's kitty? Should we find kitty?
What's the sign for kitty?
What's the sign for duck? Oh, there's horsey. You know a horsey sign. What's the sign for horsey? There's a sheep. Says ba. Fishes. A dog. What's the sign for doggy? A kitty. A horsey. A duck. A puppy. A horse. Fishies. A frog. You know the sign for frog too. That's like Hopkins. What's the sign for frog? What's the sign for Hopkins? Hopkins. Hopkins is the frog, huh? A bird. What's the sign for bird? Do you remember the sign for bird? Bird? Bird, 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 bird. Fish.
Ahnika, can you say hi to Nana and Papa?
Hi, Papa.
What about
Hi,
Nana?
Nana.
Can you say night-night, Nana? Night-night, Papa? Can you say love you? Did Landon teach you how to jump on the couch today? And on the bed? Say bye-bye.
Bye.